Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Mind. My name is Hasan Khurram and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I teach theoretical concept as well as practical programming skills in data science, data analysis. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon button. So I have been producing series of tutorial videos regarding R programming. My tutorial videos are specifically designed for those people who are just getting started with R language. They want to learn this language from scratch. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can work with date and time format in R. Working with date and times in R using the lubridate package. Lubridate package simplifies the process of parsing, manipulating and doing arithmetic operations with date-time data. In this tutorial, we will cover installation and loading of lubridate, parsing date-time objects, extracting components of date-time object, date-time arithmetic operations, and handling different time zones. In order to get started with lubridate, you will need first to install and load the package. You can install it from C-Crane using this R code statement here, install.packages, and within this round bracket you will pass the library name, which is lubridate. Once installed, load the package with this command, this R code here, library lubridate. So that's how you are going to load that library in your R environment. So I'm going to run that code for you. Once we done that, now lubridate provides function to parse dates in different formats easily. We have YMD, which stands for year, month, day. We have MYD, month, day, year. We have DMY, day, month, year. Then we also have YMD._HMS, which stands for year, month, date, or minute and second. So this YMD.HMS is able to incorporate both the date and also the time of that specific date. So what it basically means that it takes a string input in terms of the format that has been defined here, and will convert it into a date time object in R programming. So we have like three types of format string input. The first one is with year, month and date. The second one is with month, day and year. Then the last one is day, month and year. It takes that string input with their preference or with their specific functions. We are able to convert this string input into a date time object. And the similar thing happens here with YMD_HMS. It takes a input format of year, month and date, and then also the hour, minutes and second, and convert into a date time object. Let me just run this block of code for you. And once we done that, we are going to print the values of the formatted date we have just created earlier. So now you can see that we have converted that string type data into a date type data, date and time data, using this functions here. Now lubridate provides functions to extract components from date time object. It has year, it has month, it has day. Like you can extract years, you can extract month, you can extract date or minutes and even second. So for the respective time component. So for this purpose, we are going to take date 1 as a reference date, and we're going to extract year, month, day or minute and second by using this lubridate functions. So let me just run this block of code for you. After running that, we are just simply printing the values by print function, and we are using paste function that actually combines the year with year value or variable that we have just created earlier. Let me just run this code for you. Now you can see that it has exactly extracted year, month, day, and even the hours, minute, and second by using this lubridate function. Another important aspect of lubridate package that allows you to easily perform arithmetic operations with date time objects. Arithmetic operations by means that by adding or subtracting periods like day, months, or even years. So here's one of the arithmetic operation we have done on our date 1. We are adding 10 days to the date 1. So basically now the date time object will change from its respective day to onwards 10 days more. So, and we have initialized a variable named future date, and we have stored that addition or arithmetic operation in that date future variable. And once we print that, now you can see the change in both dates. Like you see, it is 10 days ahead of of date 1, which by performing this arithmetic operation. Now another important aspect of lubricate package, that it helps you to manage time zones. With TZ converts date time to a different time zone. First TZ changes the time zone without changing the clock time of it. So how we are going to do it? First of all, we will create a date time object by using YMD HMS and passing the input argument, but we are also specifying the time zone, which is universal time zone. Okay, so UTC. Once we do that, once we have that date, now we are able to convert that date to any specific time zone we want with the help of this function with underscore TZ. And we pass two input arguments. The first input argument is actually the date the date time object which we want to convert the time zone, and the second option is actually letting know that what kind of time zone we actually want to convert to. In this case, we are setting T zone is equal to American/New York. So it will convert that time zone from UTC to American New York. Finally, I'm going to print that values here. Now you can see that we have successfully converted that time zone to American New York time zone, which is Eastern. So thank you for joining me. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. If you have any questions regarding today's tutorial or any aspect of our programming, feel free to write down your comments. I will be happy to help you out. And in the upcoming videos, I will be posting more comprehensive tutorials on data analysis with R, and I will be posting more in-depth case studies of data analysis with R programming language. So I suggest you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon button. I will be catching you soon in the next video. Thank you.